Now, I play the game of probabilities. What has the highest probability of occurring? And so when I look at my crystal ball right now, how many of you think the price of corn, the entire grain complex is headed south? Raise your hands. Okay, let's break that down. How many think wheat's going down? Nobody raises their hand. Corn. A lot more hands go up on corn. What about soy? A few hands go up on soy. Well, here's the way I read it. I think by the end of the year, corn will be at $5.50 a bushel. That may be pleasant news for most of you. I believe that wheat will be at $7.50 a bushel, and that soy will be at 16. Now, how I came to that is partly based on historical analysis, partly on supply-demand analysis, but what I do not believe in is a lot of people are talking about the rate that corn could be headed back to $3. I don't believe it. And one of the reasons I don't believe it, ladies and gentlemen, is the entire thesis that drove agriculture for the last 10 years is still intact. And what's intact is the evolution of a global middle class. The global middle class today construes about China has added about 250 million people to the middle class rolls. And the first thing you do when you move into the middle class, you start to make more money, you upgrade the quality of your diet. Now, if I might be a little bit more ambitious on the grain complex, where am I at with farmland? I think farmland's very pricey right now. And it's reluctant. I'm not going to tell a farmer to sell farmland, but I'm going to tell you I'm not going to buy any more. I think the prices have gotten to the point where even unless you have some major changes in crop yields coming from the geneticists and the seed producers, I don't see how you're going to be able to improve your yield over the price of the land that you pay if prices of real estate continue to go up. I'm sorry.